Hi, everybody. It's Gadget Man. October 9th, 2011, and we're in Carlsbad after the HHO third annual hydrogen fuel rally, sponsored by
Hecus Twister.
Hecus Twister. That's Rick McCain. Oh, wait, I was supposed to look at the shirt. I thought you were trying to show off your butt.
Yeah.
Okay, these are all people that sponsored this thing. Now, I'll tell you what, I stayed at this place right here, Best Western Stevens Inn. And I'll tell you what, the people are professional. The guys really clean up the place. This is a big plug for them. Stevens Inn is a really good place. And I heard good things about the boss, the man that owns the place, from all the employees. They love him to death. So I don't know anything about the other places, but I'll tell you that was a good one. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna let Rick tell you about well, what's going on. Rick, why don't you just tell us what's going on here?
Well, we had a wonderful hydrogen fuel rally. It took Friday night was finger foods in a mixer, and Saturday was a run, and Saturday night was a banquet. We gave out the awards. We gave out $500 to first place, and $200 to second place, and $100 to third place. The man that won the first place had his vehicle had a gadget groove done by Ron.
How about Gadget Man Groove?
Gadget Man Groove, thank you. And he was very excited. In fact, his wife almost talked him out of not coming down here when they got to Hobbs, because they hadn't had that much success with hydrogen, playing with it. But it sent his mileage from about 17 miles per gallon to 30 miles per gallon. And he took first place, so he's very excited.
So you're familiar with Gadget Man Groove? Have been for how long now?
Since August this year, and we're very excited. We got it on our 2001 Cadillac. It has much more power. It's increased the mileage, and my wife enjoys it very much.
Now, you've been watching Gadget Man for a while now, ain't you?
Yes, I have. We're very excited about it. We see what he's doing. I am so proud of the man, because he's a fantastic, good relationship with the people around him.
You'll make the crowd get Rick.
But working with them and encouraging them to have this done, and then once they do it, they're very excited about it. And we were very pleased. First time he came out here, right after we came back from Phoenix, he did 16 grooves in 2 days. Fantastic.
Yep. Everybody was happy, as I recall, too. And you, would you care to introduce yourself, sir?
I'm Mark Pratt, and I'm from Cudjoe Key, Florida, which is just 20 miles from Key West, at the end of the earth, so to speak, southernmost point. And I've been watching the Gadget Man website and seeing Ron's exploits, and he's really got something. He's got a process that he can certainly be proud of, and taking care of people and the environment. And I'm really glad to have my truck grooved. I have a 2007 Honda Ridgeline, and it runs like a jackrabbit that's had electric shock put to it.
Everybody else is smiling too. Go ahead. You got anything else? Go ahead.
So anyway, I hope that Ron comes down to the HHO games down in Tampa over November 11th, 12th, and 13th. I also hope Rick's down there, and of course Dan, and everybody that's involved with this movement. And most of all, from me personally, I feel nobody's kid should have to die for oil. And that's what it's all about, is getting us off foreign oil and having to spend our money someplace else in the world.
We got enough here, don't we?
We got enough.
We don't need to buy somebody else's.
That's right.
All right. All right, and you, sir?
Dan Merrick, Sweet Springs, Missouri. And I'm a Gadget Man. And I've done 2 grooves on 2 Priuses, 2009 and 2005. And a mower, and the 2009 went from 42 to 60 miles to the gallon. The power is like, on both Priuses, is like a small V8. The 05 is getting around 54 miles to the gallon.
Wow, that's
lots
pretty
of power.
impressive. Yeah. Did you groove both of those?
Yes.
Wow.
Both of them.
Okay, all right, we'll go into that in just a second. All right, and you, sir? Well, you, ma'am. Let's go to the ladies first here. Would you care to introduce yourself?
Tracy Hall, this is my husband Sam, and we're from Branson, Missouri.
Doesn't look like you want to get out of your truck, neither.
This is my truck now.
Help me.
This sucker is a lot of power.
And would you mind pointing at the man that cut that groove? Oh! Do you know that guy?
Yeah.
Style.
Yeah, he cut the groove.
I like that.
Oh, sorry, what was that?
Yeah, he cut the groove, and I was a little worried.
Uh-huh.
But boy, I'm sure glad he did.
We were all worried.
First groove, right?
Uh-huh. First groove, and it worked great.
All right. Yeah, and you cut the groove, right?
Groovy, man.
What's your name?
Sam Hull.
Sam Hull. Okay. Is that your middle name too? All right, no, just easy, right?
Sam Hull you're talking about.
All right. So now tell me what you know.
I know. Well, this truck has more power. The more we get up and go, it's a lot smoother, and my wife won't let me drive it anymore.
And you did it. You're the one that did it.
Yes.
Right?
Thank you.
How long did it take you to learn what you needed to learn, Sam?
All my life, but the Gadget Man Groove is real easy to learn, and still haven't got it all down, but hey.
It worked.
You got enough
It
down,
works.
don't you?
Yes, and I got her in charge, so
What you did worked,
what
right?
I did worked.
Okay. Yeah, as I recall, it was about 15 minutes of training.
Yeah.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Now you got your personal license. Both of you have personal licenses now.
Yes.
All right. You got a personal license?
Yes.
You got a personal
I
license?
got a personal license.
You got a personal
I got a
license?
personal license.
How's that working for you guys?
Working good.
Yep.
Great.
Working good.
Yeah, I guess. Just look at the smile on her face.
Yeah.
Oh, Lordy.
I just can't believe it. How much power this thing has, though.
All right.
Much that he was worried.
Never really did much.
So do you, okay, now you guys have all cut grooves, right? All of you?
I haven't cut one yet.
I haven't cut one yet, but I will be.
Oh, that's right. You got your license today, right? Okay, so you three have, right? And you've seen the successes even in your own rides,
Yes.
right? Are you happy with it?
Very.
What do you you think that you guys are extremely super intelligent, or can anybody learn how to do this?
Anybody can do it.
Yeah,
Anybody.
would y'all agree?
Once they learn the technique, and once they get the training and the knowledge and understand the physics behind it, which you've really given us all a good deal of education and how to do this, and certainly it's a worthwhile investment.
All right. Would you agree with that, Mr. McCain?
I think so. I think I'm looking forward to doing this thing. I've been so busy with this rally, but probably be rolling my sleeves up and trying it next week.
And does Gadget Man Groove help with the hydrogen?
Oh yes, it does if you use them on one.
All right, wonderful. All right, so guys, this is Gadget Man, and it is my great pleasure to bring this to y'all. I mean, look at these smiles. Okay, it's my great honor. Anyway, it's personal license. Gives you a chance to do everything on your own, and if you like it, I'll help you turn it into a business where you can be serving your community and helping them. And Mark says he's going to say something else. Go ahead.
And if you want to meet Ron personally, since this is going on the internet, he will be in Tampa at the HHO Games on November 11th through 13th. So you all come out, especially if you live in Florida or Eastern United States. You have a month to get your tickets and get ready to drive down and see a wonderful show. It's HHOgames.com, and Joe Shea puts it on, and there'll be a lot of people there who are in the field right now.
Right on. Thank you. Yeah, so yeah, I travel all over the country now doing events because this technology is so amazing that you have to experience it to believe it. I still don't. Anyway, God bless y'all richly and warmly, and remember to smile for a stranger today. You will both be glad you did. Bye-bye now.